Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. Well, this is not the usual fare today. We have a stinky fruit. We have the durian. Whole frozen durian. So it's thawed out now. I've been keeping it out in the garage, so it's still fairly cold. I'm wearing gloves, mainly because these spikes kind of hurt. At least that's what I was told, and now I'm touching it. It's kind of almost going through these jersey gloves. I was told to cut it up out here. If I stunk up the house, I'd be in trouble. These fruit, you really can't tell on camera, but they have kind of like lobes. So you want to try to cut in between the lobes, and that's where the pods are. And this should cut pretty easy. It is a hard shell, but it's soft in the middle. We can cut it on the cutting board. And like I say, I'm cutting out in the garage because a lot of people don't like the smell. Yeah, and I had this, I ended up going on a trip to Malaysia with my work, and I had this over there. And it is a pungent smell, but I don't know why everybody thinks it's so bad. I remember the fruit being very tasty, very sweet, but you have to be able to get past the smell. Okay. I think, yeah, so here's the little pods that come out. Now I'm going to take these gloves off because these weren't the cleanest gloves in the world. And I'm going to put the durian in plastic bags. And hopefully I can get the smell off my fingers before work. I'm going to put a chunk in each bag if someone wants to try it. My family members did not want to come out and help me do this. I don't know why. Probably because of the rumors and the legend behind this fruit. It is, like I say, I remember it being quite sweet. But yeah, it's a strong smell, but this is not as bad as, kind of not as bad as I remember. I don't know why. I grew up around sauerkraut. If anybody's aware of the German food at all, but sauerkraut is basically cabbage in vinegar, so it's quite pungent. So I'm going to try this. So there's a big seed in the middle. There's a big seed in here, and they just have these little pods. And the flavor is kind of different than the look. The thing that gets me most is the texture, because it's kind of like a wet banana. But it's good. I like it. But you have to be able to get past the smell. Most people can't get past the smell at all. I imagine I might have complaints that the whole garage smells like durian. I'm going to cut this up. I'll throw the fruit part out in the yard. And I'll have all this bagged up. But you should try it if you get a chance. We had an Asian market that opened up here, and they had these durians. So my daughter got me one. It's been a few days. I've been putting off grabbing it. But no, this is pretty good. You can say the flavor is different than the smell. I don't know how to describe the flavor. The texture is kind of like a custard. But it's not like chewy or, nothing like that. It doesn't go down hard. I'm not gagging or nothing, man. Maybe you might from the smell, but all in all, it's pretty good. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick, cut up the rest of this durian, but I just wanted to bring you along for the experience. I encourage you to try it if you get a chance. Maybe don't buy a whole durian. I think these things are like $15 a piece. But anyway, try it out. Take care. We'll see you in the next video, all right? Bye.